Do you suffer from sinus headaches and pressure? Or maybe you feel like you're constantly blowing your nose. You might be one of 37 million Americans living with sinusitis. It's one of the most common health conditions in the country. But there's a new procedure at St. Louis Sinus Center that offers instant relief.
I've had chronic sinus infections for years, and it just was the kind of thing that never went away. You were always sick.
There's a new procedure called express balloon sinuplasty. In the past, you really had to take all of these patients to the operating room to have functional endoscopic sinus surgery, which may require them to be off of work for several weeks, to have a lot of post-operative pain and discomfort and that type of thing. Whereas balloon sinuplasty is a way to open the sinuses without removing tissue, without cutting, to achieve the same results that endoscopic sinus surgery achieves. And balloon sinuplasty can be performed in the office under local anesthesia with little to no downtime, and you can get back to work the next day.
I'm a CRNA, a nurse anesthetist, and I work with Dr. Gould in the operating room. And I started interviewing my patients prior to going to surgery, and one gentleman told me he had this sinuplasty. He said, "It changed my life." He said, "My health has improved so much since."
And so that's what kind of led to Bud coming in and having the procedure done.
Yeah.
Feeling good?
Oh my gosh, yeah. So much better.
Yeah. How long has it been now since we did your balloon sinuplasty? He has had immediate relief and has had really significant quality of life improvements since the procedure was done. Less nasal drainage, less congestion, less having to clear his nose and sinuses in the shower every morning for 20 minutes.
Dr. Gould's great. He does good work. He does wonderful work. I've had the opportunity to work in surgery in a number of different locations and seen a lot of great ear, nose, and throat surgeons, and Dr. Gould's right up there at the top with the best of them.
There are really over 30 studies now since 2005 that show that balloon sinuplasty makes a major difference in quality of life for patients who have the procedure done.
Yes, this procedure has given me a new outlook on life.
I think they picked up at least one new patient. Virginia's a little excited.
I'm excited about everything today.
Well, do you remember when they actually did this in studio?
Yes,
they
it was
really
amazing.
Did. It's so quick that they actually performed it live in our studio during a show once. It was amazing. The St. Louis Sinus Center has locations in Creve Coeur and Festus. For more information about balloon sinuplasty or any of the other services they offer, you could call 314-4-RELIEF. That's 314-473-5433, or visit their website, stlsinuscenter.com. Really cool stuff. And I mean, the guy that we had here in studio walked out that day.
And you noticed a difference right away.
He said he could tell right off the bat. It's pretty cool stuff.